but also it could correct any hearing deficiency. And in my instance, that the immediate thing I noticed was reduce the perception of tinnitus. And I know Nathan's told me it's hearing aids, and obviously I believe him, but putting it on, you go, okay, this is hearing correction. I can hear it. And, so how would someone get over that initial hurdle of, I'm just thinking that the microphones are very close to my voice. Are they going to enhance me way more than the other sort of sounds I'm hearing? How would we get over that hurdle?
It's a great question. So we know that with hearing aids, traditional hearing aids, one of the biggest problems people say is my own voice sounds strange or unfamiliar or too loud. And that's absolutely something that we've had to consider with the Nuance glasses. And what that's doing is it's learning the wearer's voice and reducing the gain of the wearer's voice whenever they're speaking. So whenever they speak, the glasses say, right, the wearer is speaking, I won't amplify that speech. So that gets rid of a lot of those barriers.